take it to the limit. The Eagles sang it. Investors want to hit it. Their IRA contribution limits, that is. What are the IRA contribution limits for 2023? Let's break it down and find out. And if you stick around until the end, I'll tell you which Eagles album that song comes from. The 2023 IRA maximum rose a little from the prior year, up $500 to $6,500. The catch-up congealed at $1,000, remaining the same for 2023. That means if you're age 50 or older, anytime during the tax year, you can contribute an additional $1,000, potentially socking away $7,500 into your IRA. That's the max, the total you can contribute to all your IRAs, Roth and traditional. You can't double up, or is it double down, and stick $6,500 in a Roth and then $6,500 in a traditional IRA, or the $7,500 if you're 50 plus in both. And you can't open IRA accounts all over town and max out each one just because it's another account. The IRS doesn't care how many IRAs you have. They see them as one big old bucket of IRA. On a side note, rollover contributions don't count against these limits. Don't forget the IRA contribution deadline either, April 15th to count for the prior tax year. No extensions. That means you could contribute to a 2023 IRA all the way until April 15th of 2024. So knock yourself out and mix and match as much as you want. Just don't go over the limit, or take it to the limit one more time. Oh yeah, that Eagles song, Take It to the Limit, it's the third single from the Eagles' 1975 album, One of These Nights, reaching number 4 on the Billboard Hot 100.